In the shadow of the city lights, where dreams collide with endless nights, we chase the dawn, our hearts aglow. With every step we feel the flow, a whisper in the air, a promise untold. With courage as our armor, we're brave and bold. Feel the rhythm in our veins, as the world around us fades. We're writing stories in the stars, no more hiding who we are. We are the echoes of tomorrow, rising from the ashes of our sorrow. With every heartbeat we ignite, together we will soar into the night. Through the storm and through the fire, we'll reach for dreams that lift us higher. In this moment we're alive, together we will thrive. With every shadow that we face, we find a light, we find our place. A tapestry of hope unfolds with threads of courage, bright and bold. A past mirror in the air, a promise untold. With courage as our armor, we're brave and bold. Feel the rhythm in our veins, as the world around us fades. We're writing stories in the stars, no more hiding who we are. We are the echoes of tomorrow, rising from the ashes of our sorrow. With every heartbeat we ignite, together we will soar into the night. Through the storm and through the fire, we'll reach for dreams that lift us higher. In this moment we're alive, together we will thrive. Whether the night feels cold and long, we'll sing our anthem loud and strong. For every battle fought and won, we stand united, we are one. In the silence hear our call, together we can break the fall. We are the echoes of tomorrow, rising from the ashes of our sorrow. With every heartbeat we ignite, together we will soar into the night. Through the storm and through the fire, we'll reach for dreams that lift us higher. In this moment we're alive, together we will thrive. So here we stand, the stars our guide, with open hearts and arms spread wide. The future's calling, hear it ring. In unity our spirits sing. We are the echoes, we are the light, together we'll shine bright. And whether night feels cold and long, we'll sing our anthem loud and strong. For every battle fought and won, we stand united, we are one. And when the night feels cold and long, we'll sing our anthem loud and strong. For every battle fought and won, we stand united, we are one, and we are one. Burning, silver moon, hearts align. Quiet night, your eyes they shine. Whisper secrets, embrace so tight. By your side I found what's right. Stars above, they paint the sky. Hand in hand, just you and I. Every moment feels like magic. In your love, no room for tragic. Silver moon, silver light. In your arms I feel so right. Every kiss a melody. Together just you and me. In the dark we find our way. Feel the night turn into day. Can't escape this sweet enchant. Every touch a true romance. We dance in shadows of the moon. Hearts in rhythm, perfect tune. Promise made under the stars. Distance now, never far. Stars above, they paint the sky. Hand in hand, like magic. In your love, no room for tragic. You're silver moon, silver light. In your arms I feel so right. Every kiss a melody, together just you and me. Silver moon, silver light. In your arms I feel so right. Every kiss a melody, together just you and me. In the dark we find our way, feel the night turn into day. Can't escape this sweet enchant, every touch a show romance. Silver moon, silver light. In your arms I feel so right. Every kiss a melody, together just you and me. Together just you and me. In the dark we find a way, feel the night turn into day. Can't escape this sweet enchant, every touch a show romance. In the dark we find a way, feel the night turn into day. Can't escape this sweet enchant, every touch a show romance. In the dark we find a way, feel the night turn into day. Can't escape this sweet enchant, every touch a show romance.
In the silence before the dawn, where the shadows and the dreams are drawn, we gather strength, we raise our voice in the echoes of a whispered choice. The world is vast, a canvas wide. With every heartbeat we'll take the ride. Through the storms and through the flames, we'll rise anew, unbroken, untamed. With every tear we find our way, turning darkness into light of day. Our spirits soar unchained, unbound. In the heart of chaos, hope is found. We're chasing horizons, where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we'll set ourselves free. Through the valleys of doubt, over mountains of fear, we'll light up the night, our vision is clear. Together we'll run where the wild winds blow, chasing horizons, we'll never let go. Through the echoes of a forgotten song, we find our way where we belong. In the whispers of the night, we'll ignite. With every step we'll chase the light. Fires of passion burn in our souls. With every heartbeat we'll take the ride. Through the storms and through the flames, with every tear we find our way. Turning darkness into light of day. Our spirits soar unchained, unbound. In the heart of chaos, hope is found. We're chasing horizons, where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we'll set ourselves free. Through the valleys of doubt, over mountains of fear, we'll light up the night, our vision is clear. Together we'll run where the wild winds blow, chasing horizons, we'll never let go. Chasing horizons, where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we'll set ourselves free. Through the valleys of doubt, over mountains of fear, we'll light up the night, our vision is clear. Together we'll run where the wild winds blow, chasing horizons, we'll never let go. And when the road seems endless and the night feels long, we'll find the strength within us, we'll keep holding on. In the silence, hear the thunder, feel the fire ignite. Together we are fearless, we'll rise up and fight. For every moment lost, there's a moment to gain. In the heart of the struggle, we'll dance in the rain. We're chasing horizons, where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we'll set ourselves free. Through the valleys of doubt, over mountains of fear, we'll light up the night, our vision is clear. Together we'll run where the wild winds blow, chasing horizons, we'll never let go. Chasing horizons, where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we're finally free. In the embrace of the stars, where our spirits can roam, we'll chase these horizons, together we're home. We're chasing horizons, where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we're finally free.
When the sun dips low and the stars
on my way to you, guided by the night. In the hush of the evening with the world asleep, you pull me closer, secrets we keep.